Hello everyone. Today we will start with a new chapter, political parties. In this chapter we will discuss about political party, what is the definition of political parties, what kind of functions a political party has, how many parties should we have in India, need of political parties, national parties of India, state parties of India, challenges for democracy, special perspective in political parties, and how can parties be reformed. So these are the topics we will discuss in this video. A political party is a group of people who share the same ideas about the way the country should be governed. They work together to introduce new laws, the after all laws. So political parties try to control what happens in parliament by securing a majority of seats, member of parliament. Political parties have policies, serve Shiksha Abhiyan like. A political party tries to convince people that its policies are better than other policies. They try to win election so that they can implement their policies. So this is a beautiful perspective of political parties, and actually this is the main difference between political parties and pressure groups also. Thus parties reflects the parties reflects fundamental political division in society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve partnership. We can say partisanship, bias in favor of particular cause. Thus, a party is known by which party stand for, which policies it supports, and whose interest it upholds. In this video, we will discuss only about the political parties. In next video, I'll try to explain what is the difference between the national party and the state party, and after that we will discuss about the history and evolution of political parties, how they start from Britain, then came to America, what type of political parties have two party system, single party system, what is monarchy, dictatorship, democracy, what impact political parties have on democracy. All these issues will be discussed in the next video. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.